Good day, guys. It's a rainy day in my neck of the woods. Today, we're going to be looking at sorting. But before I do that, I'm going to remind you to subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. Like, share, comment because I want to hear from you. And remember, guys, to watch the ads. Sorting. What is sorting? Sorting is rearranging spreadsheet data in a particular order. It could be in ascending order, which is usually from A to Z or 1 to 10, or it could be in descending order, which is from Z to A, or from 10 to 1, which is the opposite of ascending order. So we're going to be working from two questions today to show you how you go about sorting your spreadsheet data. Now, I'm going to give you the first question, which says, sort the spreadsheet data by surname in ascending order. First thing you need to think of is blocking what you need. Because if you don't block what you need, you are not going to sort properly, or it will not pick up what it is that you need to sort. Because you need information to sort. So if you don't block what you need in order to sort, you won't get through, basically. So you are sorting by surname. Persons would think, okay, I would block surname and then go to sort. No, you have to block everything that is related. Meaning you have to block from the first name right across to pass or fail down to the last person. The thing is, if you only block surname and sort, only surname will be sorted. However, if you block everything that you have that are related, everything will flow, everything will be sorted, and each person's grade will follow them, basically. So we have what we need to block in order to sort. We have blocked what we need to sort, so we're going to now sort. To do that, you then click on sort and filter. And we could have clicked on sort A to Z since it said ascending order. But the question says that you're to sort by surname. When you sort right here where my mouse pointer is, it's going to pick up the first column. Surname is not in the first column, so we can't use it from here. We can't sort from here. We have to go to custom sort. Then, where you see column sort by, you will select surname because that's the column we need to sort by in ascending order. Ascending order is A to Z. So where you see order, that's where you would have to go and select A to Z. And then select OK. If you look under surname, you will see that Anderson is there first because it's ascending order, followed by Brown, Green, Simpson, then Stone. And if you also realize, everybody's first name followed them as well as their grades, pass or fail, etc. All right, good. Another question is to sort the spreadsheet data so that the student with the highest average appears first. How do we do that? Think about it. If you want the student with the highest average to appear first, of course you need to block again all the related data, which is the first name, surname, their subject grades, letter grade, pass or fail, total, average. It is already blocked. You could block it over if you want, but it is already blocked. Then we move back to the sort and filter icon and select custom sort. Which column are we going to be sorting by this time? Because the question asks you to sort so that the students with the highest average appear first, you have to sort by the column with average, which is column H. So sometimes you will see the column letter, sometimes you will see the heading of the column, but this is what we want. We want it to be sorted by, the average to be sorted by descending order, because to have the highest average appear first, it means you have to have largest to smallest, which is in the order from 10 to 1, like I explained to you earlier. So after you have selected the column you want to sort by, you then move to the order you want to sort by, which would be largest to smallest. That will represent descending order. Once you have done that, you select OK. Look under average, you will see that John Anderson has the highest average. His average is 87, followed by Reid-Simpson, whose average is 84, Alexandra Brown, whose average is 58, Lara Stone, whose average is 40, and Alex Green, whose average is 25. So there you have it, guys. You notice everybody's letter grade followed them. Everybody's pass or fail follow them, and that's because you blocked all the related data and not just the column that they ask you to sort by. So guys, there you go. You know how to sort, what to do to sort, and how to customize your sorting. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be closing off for this week. Next week, I'll see you guys again. I'm going to remind you again to subscribe, like, share, comment, and watch the ads. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.